Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to talk about the last part within the series, that is the delete data with the help of Node.js and Express Server. So we'll be utilizing the same exercise and we'll try to see how we could delete the data, because we have already seen the selection, we have seen the insertion, and we have seen the edit of the data also. So the last part is delete part. So stay tuned, and I'll be showing you how we could use the delete with jQuery, Node.js, and SQL Server. So friends, if we see the actual application, so this was the actual application that was there, and we had added delete and create functionality. Now delete is actually being called through an Ajax function, which I have written in the file. So it is being running on that delete class, which is there for every button. It actually goes on to a delete, and then type is post. It passes on a department ID, and then once the function is success, it actually alerts data was deleted, and it is gonna do a location href for us. So let's get back to the test express server, and this is the delete department. So we definitely need this one, that is the ID. We need it because it was being done with the help of an array. We went through an array, matched the ID, and then we pushed all the rows into a new array, and then new array became the swapped the actual data. But now because we have a SQL server, so we don't need to do this like this. So what we are going to do here is, so we'll just simply say connects, and then we have let's say the department, and we'll just say where we want to delete the department number is the ID which we pass, and we use a function .del, and then we'll simply say if you want how many rows were deleted, you could actually count those rows, and let's say you just simply say console.log rows were deleted or something like this. And then finally we need to kind of return it back to the Ajax functionality, so that would be there. Now if you see, the server is up and running. So we have 5 departments, and we want to delete this department. So when I'll press this delete, it is actually going to fire an Ajax query at the backend, and then it actually calls a post route within the Node Express server, and then what we have written, it is exactly going to be deleted out here. Like it deletes with the help of connects and pass on an ID and so on. Not exactly here, rather this one. Yeah, this is the one where it is gonna delete this. So I could just receive this, delete this out. This is the query. Okay, this looks fine, and then we are going to get it back. So let's try and test it whether this works. So refresh this out, and if we press the delete, it says data was deleted. Okay, yes, the data has exactly been deleted. Now if you check back in the rows, rows were deleted. Yes, this was a message that was given to us, which looks perfectly fine. And even in the database, that is the queries, if you see the lovely database from where we are coming on this, I'll just use a new query, and then if I say select star from dpt and run this, so this just shows me 4 records. The 5th record is actually deleted now. So this way, guys, you could actually use the Node.js, jQuery, and Express with SQL Server to delete the data and then actually go it back. We actually did it with the help of this jQuery, which is there, and we are just using passing this jQuery function to actually go on to a post route for the delete data. So I hope, guys, this is gonna help you out. If you already know it, well and good, but for people who are just going on or who use this and they are kind of learning it, it is gonna be helpful for them. So thank you, guys. I'll be coming back with more videos, and stay tuned for my channel. And if you have not already subscribed it, please do subscribe my channel. It definitely gives me kind of a morale boosting to post more videos and offer whatever I've learned over years of experience. Thank you.